Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Begin with the custom shape tool to design a solid geometric banner. Choose a blocky rectangular shape. Place it across the top area as the main banner. Scale it until it stretches cleanly across the width. Add a second smaller banner beneath it. Reduce its opacity for contrast. Fill the top banner with a bold gradient. Also apply a stroke to define the edges sharply. Align both banners perfectly. Now add a faint shadow beneath the main banner. Adjust blending modes for integrations. Tone spacing between the blocks. Add highlights to improve banner depth. Clean up margins for neatness. Finalize